Hey guys, as you can tell, it's raining behind me. I don't know how long it's supposed to be raining, but it's supposed to rain for a good part of the day. I got a new tent, the River Country Products, Trekker 1. I got it last Saturday, not this past Saturday, but a week before that. And actually Saturday I did get out and I did set it up one time. I did shoot a little bit of video on it, kind of like a first impression, but it wasn't that great, so I don't know if I'm gonna even upload that. I may show a couple of clips of my first time using it, setting it up, which it's pretty simple. I have not put any type of spray or nothing on it, waterproofing spray. While I was in there, all the seams looked like they were taped. In the corners, I thought there was a mistake. I thought that they had seam taped part of the seam down to the tent, but it was coming up, and I couldn't understand that. I'm looking at it, and I finally looked at it closer, and you could pull the seam up, like, if it's laying flat like that, tilted up like that, and it had the tape going on both sides of it all the way down. So hopefully that'll be good. All the inside seams look like they're seamed or taped. So I know it says that it's made with like water resistant material. I'm going to try it out today without any type of silicone spray or waterproofing spray, just to see how it does. And what I'm seeing right here, it looks like it is already starting to soak through without, and I haven't put any sealer on this, so it looks like it's seeping through. Right there, I noticed it down here on this also. See those little spots right there? And right here, there, up here, at the top. Okay, I'm just gonna use my phone for right now, since it'd be hard for me to grab my other camera and bring it into the tent. As you can tell right here, it's starting to seep through, but they do recommend to spray it. So there's a few drops right here, but that's coming in from the door. Okay, see, right along in here, I have no idea where this is coming from. The only thing that I can think of that it's where it could come from is maybe when I was setting it up. That is possibly it. But let me feel back here. Back here in the corners, I don't feel nothing. I feel a little moisture right there. The only thing that maybe if I could see this, maybe if I fix that, I don't know. What I did do, I took some sticks and staked them out right here. Which, if you have to do this all the time out in the woods, that'd be kind of aggravating, trying to go around finding different sticks to prop that thing up. But I don't know. I am noticing that right here, this material is shedding water very good, while this material is soaking it in. Somewhat, except for right here. But that looks like it's a little bit different material. That one's doing good. This right here, the vestibule sides, not so good, and then this side not so good. This little thing right here is doing really good, and it looks somewhat like that is. I don't know if you can. There's discoloration up there, like what, not like, but where the water is soaking into the material. Okay, we're gonna go inside and take a look. I'm just hold my phone. So okay. Yeah, this back here had dried up. I believe what happened was when I was setting it up, it rain was coming through here when I was setting it up. Okay, right here I see a drop, and it's coming right here through this seam, and that seam is supposed to be sealed, and all this material is moist. Okay, bad on the seam. Of course, it could be a little bit of condensation from all of this evaporating, getting in here. It could be that. Another thing I'm noticing is the tent part is actually hitting this bug net. I think what they did new here is put this in here with a, I don't know what you call that, a strap or whatever. It's attached to that back fly, so when it's taut, it helps pull this backside out, plus the bug net. But it's still, the bug net is still hitting this. I don't know if that really matters. But that over there, so we can zoom in. That is the only spot where I see where it is leaking. So hopefully when I spray some silicone on it, it'll help it out. I just don't like this, how it's resting up against the netting right here. Okay. See it right here? Okay. That'll be it for right now.